Hey there, mobile gamers! Glad to see you back on the channel. If you're all about upgrading your mobile gaming life without the hassle, you're in the right spot. Before we dive into today's guide, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest hack, tricks, and easy game boosts I drop every week. Today I'm walking you through a fast and super simple way to score unlimited cash and coins in Township. No laptop, no sketchy apps, and zero rooting or jailbreaking needed. Works great on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're running the latest version of Township. Having the most recent version helps the method run smoothly and avoid bugs. All updated? Perfect, on to the next step. Now open your phone's browser, whatever you usually use, and go to the website I've linked in this video. Once you're there, search for Township Unlimited Cash and Coins Hack and tap on it when it shows up. That'll bring you right to the tool we'll be using. Easy so far, right? Let's keep going. On the tool page, look for an inject button. Tap it, and the tool will begin connecting to your app. Give it a few seconds while it syncs everything up behind the scenes. Almost done. Before the resources can land in your account, there's a quick human check to pass. It's just to make sure you're not a bot abusing the system. Usually that means downloading a free app and using it for a minute or so. Need help? There's usually a guide or short video on the site to walk you through it. Once you've done that, you're good to go. Go ahead and open Township again and check your cash and coins. If everything was done right, your new balance should be sitting there waiting for you. I ran through it myself, and it worked. Super smooth. And that's the full guide. Quick, easy, and no stress. If this helped you out, drop a like and feel free to share it with friends. Have a question or get stuck on a step? Pop it down in the comments. I'm always checking in and happy to help. And of course, subscribe and turn on that bell icon so you're always first in line for the next gaming hack or tutorial. Thanks for hanging out. Enjoy the boost, and I'll catch you in the next one.